Hello friends, welcome once again to my YouTube channel Steel World. Today's topic is techno-commercial steel wire business opportunities in India. Today I will give you a brief introduction of technical as well as the commercial aspect of steel wire used in that value-added business opportunities. I will give you the technical details like raw material required, the machine required, the grade required, the process and the making of that particular product. In commercial segment, I will give you the machine required, the investment required, the market potential. All these factors will be provided. Currently in India, steel wire use are high carbon, low carbon and spring steel. Under this category, today we will see you the steel scrubber. Yes, steel scrubber which is steel scrubber. This is the most commonly used item in everybody's kitchen. Steel scrubbers used to clean the utensils. The country like India where the population is more than 1 billion, this steel scrubber has a huge potential in the market. So you can find that in video the scrubber making process. It's a simple SPM machine, compact SPM machine which is not required more than 2000 square feet of space for this business. You can see that steel fires of in the bobbin are placed in take up and they are rolled in a flat rolled mill as seen in the video, where you can see that scrubbers are it is making automatic in this machine. In this the coolant is also used for heat dissipation. You can see the wires are not entangled each other. This is the only thing that you have to take care during the manufacturing of the scrubber. The weight of the each scrubber found to be as 10 to 12 grams. As per as this machine is required, this is a simple compact SPM. In India there are 3-4 locations where this machine is manufactured. You can easily get in touch with me to provide the machine manufacturer's details. Apart from this, there is a scrubber making machine as well as the scrubber packing machine. You can see that in each scrubber there is a plastic packing is available, and it is sold in India under the dozen. Right, in each you can see in mall, in shop floors, in any shop you can see this is a different variety and the different grades are available in India. The technical aspect and the commercial aspect of this steel scrubber making is as follows. The wire required is SS grade 430410. The wire size required is 0.13 mm, and these wires are supplied under the construction in bobbin. Each bobbin weighs around 16 kg. These bobbins are plastic bobbins, right? And the most important factor is the price of this wire is ranging from 147 to 150 per kg in India. There are various suppliers in India available, but one of the prominent supplier is the Bansal wire. Now coming to the commercial aspect, you can see I have already told you in scrubber making there is a scrubber making and the scrubbing packing machines are involved. The machine cost for the scrubber making is approximately around 3 to 5 lakhs. In 3 lakhs you can get a pneumatic and hand operated machine, while in 5 lakhs you can get a fully automatic machine. Likewise, packing machine, there is a pneumatic as well as a hydraulic. The cost are around 90,000 to 1,20,000, and you can see the daily production of such wire is around 60 kg. Now the number of scrubber units produced for from 60 kg is 4200, that is 4,200, and one scrubber units I have already told you it is around 10 to 12 grams. For this the electricity consumed is around 60 units per day. Coolant also required is around 5 liters per day. Manpower is required, hardly 2 persons are required, one required for the loading and the operating the machine, other is required for the packing and other aspects of the manufacturing process. Space for this, it is hardly required 2000 to 2500, where you can easily manage this business under the low cost. Also government gives the some kind of subsidy, so you can also avail that subsidy for this business. And the cost of 1 dozen scrubber unit is ranging from rupees 70 to 200 rupees. It depends upon your quality, your how you are advertise your scrubber. Mostly the malls and other things you will easily find this kind of scrubbers. After this you can easily see the profit available for this kind of manufacturing scrubber. It is around 200%. Yes, it is 200%, and the total investment is around 7 lakhs to 10 lakhs rupees is required, depending upon your process and your space.